What's going on, everyone? Wet day for racing, but here with the Stratus. Timmy's getting teched in with his Turbo Miata, so we're switching over to the GoPro for the rest of this. But Miata, Stratus. We'll see what else might be in my class. I think I saw one Volkswagen. We'll go from there. A lot of Miatas today. He runs way before me, so we'll see what he does. So there's right now 4 cars in my class. So hey, look, there's my car over there. The dumps. So standing over here on the bleachers at the deck hockey to get a good look at the course. Novice walkthrough is going on. There's the start, and it's kind of set up for power, even though it's still wet. Come down here, slight turn, box uphill. There's a group of people there. There is a yellow cone, and it's basically a 360. You exit out the side, turn there, large kind of swooping S, and then the finish is at the very beginning right there. So rain was supposed to stop at 8. It was like a little after 10, and it's still raining. So even though it's a power course, I'm not sure if people will be able to put down that power. So still quite a decent amount of people here. So see how it goes once it gets started, see what I can film. All right, so first runs of the day, still slightly damp, but we get 6 runs today, so that's nice. And we'll go from there. I'm just going to take my time with this first run. I mean, I'm still going to drive fast, but I'm going to be cautious because there is like a 360 turn in here. And with the new gears, I don't know, you know, I know it's only a little bit of a percentage different, but I'll have to see what works, see how much grip I have.
Meanwhile, Joe crosses 33, 754, 33, 754 for Joe.
And Michael crosses the line with a 31.403, 31.403 for Michael.
Like the equalizer.
Sounds like
The range
I think it was from him. Was it white smoke?
Yeah.
Yeah, his exhaust when he accelerates from sitting, it's...
And whenever you're ready.
Got one more run left, and I'm half a second from second and third place. They're both 0.2 something, and I'm 0.7. Transmission's having issues. Fluid is just slightly low, so I think around turns, it's losing fluid and pressure. So I'm just gonna take it easy on the last one. For this final run, I'm not gonna use the shifters because of the fluid issue. I'm just gonna leave it in drive and see how the car handles it like that. I don't think I'm going to be competitive today with that issue, so see how it does.
On course, Timothy's big one to be on at the line.
33.372. That was my best one and my last one. Nice. So, vent was okay. Just got to work out the transmission shifting issues. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the car. You know, of course, my best run was a 33.3. Still like half a second from doing anything in my class, but they're all turbo vehicles. Timmy did a 33.0 on his first time out with a turbo Miata, so just need some more practice, fix a transmission issue, which I'm pretty sure is a fluid issue. And until next time, I'll leave a link below to all the times, so like and subscribe.